Taking improvised or candid photographs of people is one of the most common styles of photography. Capturing candid moments naturally on camera is a skill every professional photographer should practice and learn well. A good portrait camera should have a decent image stabilization system to help stabilize a candid and possibly moving subject. If the camera has a night mode setting, that is a bonus because it improves your photography scope. While there are many cameras available in the market, there are some that steal the cake. To make it easier for you to find the perfect camera for candid portraits, we have compiled a list of the best cameras for candid portraits. I'll leave the links to discussed cameras in the description, you can check them for more information and the latest prices. Starting our list with Panasonic Lumix G9 4K digital camera. This camera is mirrorless, and these are known as the best for candid photographs suggested by well-known photographers. However, this camera features the 20.3 megapixels lens, along with the 80 megapixels high resolution. Talking about the body of this camera, then the Panasonic Lumix G9 comes with a magnesium alloy body that is way much durable than other plastic bodies. This camera can be used in extremely cold places as it is freeze-proof at -10 degrees and also comes with dust, splash-proof in every button, dial, and body. The reason why this camera is listed in this video because it provides fast autofocus even if the subject is moving. Instead of this, the camera also features stabilization in the body. With the help of this, a user can easily take pictures and record while moving, and this could be the best option for candid photography. Panasonic Lumix G9 provides the best high dynamic range to provides the best colors. It can be also used to record videos in 4K resolution at 60 frames per second to provide smooth videos. Other than this, it has the ISO support of 100 to 25,600, which is really good while filming in low light. The next camera that we are going to talk about is from the famous manufacturers Canon, and the name is EOS R. This camera offers a mirrorless design which is best for candid photography. Although this camera is very light to use, and it is the only Canon's camera that is light with a full body. Furthermore, it offers fast autofocus to capture candid pictures fast, and you don't need to waste time by adjusting focus. Even though the shutter speed is fast, so if you are willing to take burst pictures, then you also have this feature. Talking about the body, then it is made of magnesium alloy that makes it feel premium and is durable. Just like the Panasonic Lumix, it also offers the weather resistant, and you can use it in cold areas and even in dust areas. Canon EOS R comes with a 30.3 megapixel sensor to provide the best image quality. However, there is a drawback to this camera as it doesn't offer an in-body stabilization feature. The image stabilization is only supported by the lens that you can buy from Canon or any third-party sellers. It provides the best ISO, that is from 100 and up to 40,000, or it is expected it goes from 50 to 102,400, which is quite impressive. Other than this, it provides 4K Ultra HD video recording with 29.97 frames per second. At number 3, it's Canon 6D Mark II. This is another best choice from Canon, and this is known as the Canon 6D Mark II, which is quite popular among users. It is quite impressive and is a suitable choice for your street or wedding photography. This offers the 26.2 full-frame CMOS sensor to provides you with good image quality. Although the autofocus in 6D Mark II is not good enough, which makes it worst while taking pictures of moving objects. Even though you can click without using the focus, which could be the best choice. It also supports the burst shooting in which a user can capture 6.5 frames per second, but you may feel lag. The body of Canon 6D is made of polycarbonate, which is also good, and it also comes with weather sealing. That means you can use it in cold, dust, and even in rain to get the best shots. Due to the polycarbonate, it feels a little bit heavy as compared to the other cameras that we have mentioned earlier. There is a drawback in this, as if you are going to record the videos, then it only offers 1080p only. Because it is quite an old model, that's why it doesn't support 4K resolution. Despite this, the camera is best and offers some new features like NFC, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and GPS for easy sharing photos and videos. At number 4, it's Sony Alpha A7 III. This camera is way more impressive as compared to any other. Also, Sony is a well-known company that makes the best lens in the camera markets, and no one can beat them. This amazing camera comes with a new 24.2 megapixels BSI full-frame image sensor that provides fast shutter speed to capture the best shots in weddings, streets, or at your home. The autofocus of this camera is way faster than others, so you can capture pictures in the bokeh effect even if the object is moving. Furthermore, the ISO of this camera is improved and offers ISO 100 up to 51,200, and even it can be extended from 50 to 2,048,007, which is pretty awesome. Sony Alpha A7 III comes with a 5-axis stabilization, so you can record steady videos and capture the best candid photos while moving. Talking about the recording, then the Sony offers a record of up to 4K Ultra HD at 60 frames per second. This camera also offers a new feature that is silent shooting at up to 10 FPS. With this, you can capture the images of animals without making noise, so you don't miss any special moment. At number 5, it's Canon EOS 1DX Mark II. Another excellent device by Canon, the Canon EOS 1DX Mark II has the best overall image quality out of all the Canon cameras within its range. It goes well into the ISO 2000 range with a maximum at ISO 51200 and provides clear, sharp images without blurring. The Canon EOS 1DX Mark II delivers fantastic results in low light conditions and is perfect for nighttime shooting. It is capable of up to 14 frames per second full-resolution images, or up to 16 FPS in live view mode thanks to its new dual-digit 6 Plus image processors. This camera has a maximum burst rate of up to 170 raw images, which is a helpful feature when it comes to candid photography. This camera has accurate subject tracking for still shots, which is again helpful for candid photography. This is thanks to the new EOS intelligent tracking system developed by Canon, making the device an excellent competitor in the market. With that, we come to the end of our review. This is it for today's video, as we have provided you with the best camera for candid photography. Each of these cameras comes with its own advantages and disadvantages, so make sure you have watched the whole video. After watching the entire video, if you're still confused about which one to choose, then you should probably go with the Panasonic Lumix G9. As it offers a fast autofocus that could capture live objects easily, and it has a larger camera sensor and provides 4K Ultra HD at 60 FPS, which is quite high resolution.